You are now on record.
You already know.
Dark as shit.
You already know.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Almost fell again.
This is the life of a trapaholic.
What you trapping? This is the life of a trapaholic. Say no.
Nah, nigga, I sell rocks like 2 for $5.
He sell them brown rocks,
1 for $5.
them granite
God
rocks,
down, you can have a. I'll give you a gram.
the marble rocks.
The rocks like.
He sell them marble rocks like shit.
The marble rocks. Nigga, it's hard being a trapaholic, man. I'm out here making money. Niggas shooting at me on the corner and shit.
He lying.
Nigga, I got shot 2 times right here, man.
Let me see. Let him see your shot wounds, nigga.
Look at that. Look at that. You see that? I got shot right there. I'm riding my tricycle, right?
This nigga rode a
I'm
tricycle.
riding my tricycle. I got my flag out and shit. These niggas like, hey, nigga, you from the 40s, nigga. They started bucking at me. I'm like, oh shit. So I dipped.
And this nigga did not get shot.
So then when I dip, right, I'm on my bike. I'm dipping on the bike like Jody off a baby boy.
But on the tricycle.
That nigga popped at me. I said, ah. Fell off the bike.
Where hit you at, nigga?
Hit me right here.
He lying like shit.
I had to run. So I started running.
This was one of his dreams.
So like, it was like an alleyway over there. Them niggas from the 30s come buck at me. So I go back to the 40s. Them niggas ain't even come to the turf. They already know what it was, nigga. Nigga, Ford Trade, they already knew what it was, nigga.
Yo, we in the hood.
Yeah, we in the hood. Look at this.
See this? This is the hood.
This is the hood.
This is the hood.
Nigga.
What's your hood called, nigga?
Arkansas right here, man.
Nigga, what's your hood called?
Nigga, this the 40 block, nigga.
Of North Bend, nigga.
40 block North Bend, nigga. Holla at me, nigga. You want some crack, nigga? I got the crack, nigga.
North Bend, 108 North Bend, like shit. See that phone?
Yeah,
that's
look
the
at
trap phone.
Trap phone. Look, I got a customer right now. I got a customer right now.
What? Answer your call, nigga.
Right
Answer your call.
Answer that call. Hold on.
Answer the call, nigga.
Answer that. Hello? Alright, so what you need? You need that butter, you need that rock, like. Nigga, 2 for $5, nigga, 2 for $5.
He got them cheap prices.
2 for $5, nigga. 2 for $5 food stamps in this bitch, yo. Goddamn food stamps. This you go. Got 2 for $5 food stamps. Oh, this you go.
Here one of our customers come right now.
2 for $5 food stamps. Already know.
Yeah, you see that dot up there?
Trapping.
That's our customer.
Look, I stay trapping.
Every day, all day.
It ain't nothing, nigga. I'm a trapaholic, nigga. Already know, nigga.
Yeah, life of a mirror.
Trapaholic.
That's the life of a mirror.
Life of a trapaholic, nigga. They call me.
Nigga, what's your G name?
Nigga, they call me G Black Trapper, nigga.
Oh, the nigga Black Chopper.
G Black
Hold on. What?
Trapper.
D Trapper.
Like,
oh.
Nigga, I stay trapping, nigga.
Yeah.
I stay with the gun. The gun at the crib, though.
But you stay with the gun.
I stay with it, though. I stay with it at the crib, though.
At the crib?
Yeah, I stay with the gun at the crib,
though. All right. Under your bed, right?
I got that shit on standby. That shit at the crib.
Shit at the crib. You hear that? Yeah. Don't come to his house.
Niggas, don't come to the 40 block of North, man, yo. Niggas come over here and set tripping.
Oh, shit.
If niggas come over here and set tripping, I'm going to get the heat.
The heat?
I'm going to get
What's your heat look like?
My heat? It's chrome and shit, right?
Chrome.
I got tape around the handles, though.
Tape around the handles? See, that shit broke.
I broke that shit. I got tape around the handles, though. I broke that shit.
All right, this is where our video